talk about the basic of data science fields, and we are going to talk about two things. First, setting up our working directory, and second is reading .csv files using pandas library. So let's begin. So first we need to open our Anaconda prompt, and then we will open our Jupyter notebook. So I have opened my Jupyter notebook. I'll minimize this. So my Jupyter notebook is open. We'll go to documents, CWD tutorial, and I'll start a new Jupyter notebook over here. So I'll rename it to CWD underscore tutorial. So I have renamed it. So guys, first we'll import important libraries, and to do all these tasks we need two important library. First is import pandas as pd, and second is import os. So we have imported the important libraries. Now we will understand which working directory are we currently in. So we will write a code os.get cwd, and we will get the current directory which is there. So our current working directory is c/users//Ashish Sharma, which is me, document CWD tutorial. And if you want to read some data in this working directory, we will use pd.read underscore csv and y.csv. So we have read the .csv file kept in this working directory. If you want to save this file into a data frame, you can do this, and now the file is to be saved in data frame called df, and we can analyze the first 5 rows of these data frame by using df.head, and the output would be the same because the data set essentially have only 5 rows. So now moving forward, now guys, if you want to change the working directory, and if you want to read some other file kept in some other directory, you need to write a code which is os.chdr, and you need to copy the path of that working directory. As I shown you, from here you can copy the path of the working directory which you want to set right now. You can paste the path, you can remove the forward slashes, and instead of these forward slashes you can put 2 backward slashes, which is right. You will put 2 backward slashes here, 2 backward slashes here, 2 backward slashes here. And if you run the command now, your working directory has been changed, and if you want to cross check whether it is changed or not, you just need to write this code again. And if you do that, as you can see, your working directory has changed to document//medium. So now if you want to read some file kept in the medium which is in .csv format, and you will paste this command and you will write emp underscore sales df.head, and you can rename it to df1. And so now you can write df1 head, and you will see that the file which you have read right now and the head of that file, you can see it over there. So guys, I hope after watching this tutorial video on basics of data science, you would be able to set up your working directory, change your working directory, and read the data kept in different directories with ease and without any difficulty. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please like, support and subscribe my channel Data Guru.